Today I will show you how to scale user interface in Figma. So the first thing you can do is you can hold Control button if you're on Windows, and you can click minus button on your keyboard. And that way you will make it wider. If you want to scale it in, you click plus button while you're holding Control button. Or you can hold Control button and use your scroll wheel on a mouse. And that way you can scale it in and out. You can also find options for scaling here. You go to settings, to main menu, and you go to view, and here you have zoom in. You can see shortcuts, zoom out, zoom to 100%, zoom to fit, and zoom to selection. For example, we have this frame selected, and when we click zoom to selection, we just go to this frame. And that's how you scale user interface in Figma.